This is elevator 3 at the John A. and Gertrude something Petersen Event Center at the University of Pittsburgh in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler 300A elevator with MT van resistant / Adams Survivor Plus California fixtures. Sadly, unlike the main elevators here, this one is hydraulic. And again, another operator's seat. Four windows can go up to the club level. LED lights, I do like that. Submersible, I believe. LL does not stand for lower level, it stands for long level. And EL stands for event level. Here at the club level. And it opens up directly into the arena. We'll go back down to the lobby. Not quite expecting that. There's someone dribbling down there. Did not know it opened up directly into the arena. Pretty basic cab. There's your van resistant fixtures, ADA phone, there's your certificate, and another operator seat. Pit ID, older Pit ID reader. There's also a freight elevator here, which I'll try to film that one next. Actually, I think there's one more pass-through elevator, and then there's the freight elevator, which, yeah. Here back to the lobby. And that's going to be it.